finally sixth September, like the season ending है. So yeah, we had a great time. Hi guys. फिल्म फेयर की शाम से हम लोग एक्साइटेड होते हैं. आई वांट टू सी कौन कौन नॉमिनेट हुआ है. इस बार मैं नॉमिनेट नहीं हुई हूँ, बट देखते हैं कौन नॉमिनेट हुआ है और उसके बाद हम लोग बैटिंग करते हैं कि कौन जीतने वाला है वो. आई एम वेयरिंग डेमी बाय गैब्रिएला. मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है गैब्रिएला डिमिट्रियाक. और मेकअप है तो हम करते हैं और मिनराली एक्सेसरीज. बस रेडी, लेट्स गो. थैंक यू, बाय.
Did you click? You did? Yes. Is anybody asking me questions? कोई कुछ पूछ रहा है कि मैं जाऊं? हाँ? Yeah. I was wondering, I'm like, where's everybody? I'm just standing, I'm like, yeah, let's just stand. Anybody want to give me a drink? I can, just stand here. I'm just kidding. Sorry.
Tell us about your memories with Filmfare. How was it feel like?
My memories with Filmfare? Always great memories, always great memories. My memories with Filmfare have always been great. I know a lot of people who are friends there and have looked out for me for all these years, and I thank them very much. I'm looking forward to tonight's show and all the stars performing.
Will we see you perform anytime soon?
Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah soon. Yep. Yeah, soon. Soon.
I think you're doing an independent film. Can we know more about it?
What would you like to know?
What film is it? Does it have a name yet? And what is your role in it?
The film's called America.
America.
Me and Suraj Sharma play brothers in the film, and it should be coming out in a few months in India.
Who is the director?
It's Prashant Nair. Director of my film is Prashant Nair. Thank you. Thank you.
और मेरे विजुअल्स तुम लोग एडिट करने पड़ेंगे। मैं वही कहा तुम
Thank you.
Hello. Familiar faces.
Manish, you are exposing us to the new look of yours.
Yes, I mean, I've been working really hard on this change, transformation, whatever people are calling it. And I'm also experimenting with my looks, trying to understand what's looking good, what's not. So yeah, I'm trying to be as fresh and new as possible. Huh? That's such a big compliment because I think she's got one of the most banging bodies in Bollywood. She's so fit. But yeah, I wish I can. I wish I can reach that stage at some point.
Tell us about your next film. How's the preparation going around here?
Well, it's going really great. It's called Man Marziya. It's with Ayushmann and Vicky. I'm sure you guys know. And it's set in Punjab. It's a beautiful love story. And there are a whole bunch of things that we are doing. We've started workshopping for the film as well. And it's just
What about your
amazing.
role? What kind of a role would it be? Would it be the
It's very unlike Sandhya. It's very away from what I did in Dum Laga Ke Haisha. And I think there should be a little mystery to it. So I'm going to let you all, and that's all the information I'm going to give.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you, bye-bye.
थोड़ा ऊंचा बोल रहे हैं, सुनाई नहीं दिया।
संजय सर, अवार्ड्स के बारे में पहले बताइए। How's it been award? How important is an award in your life?
देखिए, अवार्ड मिल जाए तो अच्छा लगता है। अपने काम की एक वैलिडेशन मिलती है जो अवार्ड्स देते हैं, चाहे वो आपकी फ़िल्म हो, चाहे आपका अपना काम हो, तो अच्छा ही लगता है। किसी भी किस्म का कोई, चाहे ऑडियंस सराहे या फेस्टिवल सराहे या पॉपुलर अवार्ड सराहे, अच्छा ही लगता है किसी भी अभिनेता को, निर्माता को, निर्देशक को या जो भी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े हैं।
सर, मूवी के अच्छे रिव्यूज भी आए हैं। What is your personal feeling like?
शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि क्रिटिक्स को फिल्म पसंद आई मेरी चौरंगा। अब दर्शकों पर अब उनकी हो गई है फिल्म, हमारी नहीं रही, अब उनके अवार्ड्स का इंतज़ार है।
सर वजीर के साथ रिलीज हुई है तो ऐसा कुछ विश था कि शायद सोलो रिलीज होना चाहिए था।
देखिए आज के वक्त में सोलो रिलीज़ महारथियों को ही मिलता है और हमें बहुत मुश्किल है। हर जुम्मे को, हर शुक्रवार को बहुत फिल्में रिलीज़ होती हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ कि वज़ीर अच्छा करे और वहाँ पर जब दर्शक आए तो हमें भी नोटिस कर लें।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
थैंक यू।
Hi guys.
So I'm sure you must have dreamed about this moment walking the red carpet at Filmfare. How does it feel finally?
Absolutely feels amazing. It literally feels like a dream come true. I think it's always been something I wanted to do, and I'm really glad that I have this opportunity.
Will we see you perform at Filmfare this time around?
I don't know. Let's see. It depends on the Filmfare people. I would love to perform for Filmfare, of course, and whenever they give me an opportunity, I would love to be a part of it.
Does Shahid have any performances lined up?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Tell us more about the film that is lined up with Park.
I am just going through lots of scripts and I'm reading them. I'm figuring out what to do next. So there isn't anything definite, honestly speaking. It's just everything is at a script level. So
But you're doing the film, right?
depends. I haven't read the script yet, so I'm going to read the script, see if it's something that I like. Then yeah, definitely why not? Otherwise, maybe next time.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, guys. You done? Thank you.
भाई सुनो उसका आपने किसी का मोबाइल वो लिया है क्या?
किसका लिया है ना आपने? वो मॉडल थी कोई तो नहीं, कोई नहीं।
I think it's a perfect mix of what I would call a mix between art and mart. So you've got very big commercial cinema that's done really well. So Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Dilwale.
What kind of sizzling performances we can expect this time around?
So I'm not going to give too much away, but I think I'm safe to say that. Thank you.
Amazing. I'm so happy that everybody has really liked it. The audiences are really pouring in their love, sending us the most amazing messages and the most amazing feedback. So very happy. Word of mouth is really strong, and I think all of us are really excited, and I hope that this continues. And please keep sending the love. We love you, so send it back to us.
What do we look forward to now next?
Well, at the moment, I'm enjoying the whole experience of Wazir. After this, there's Fitur and Sudhir sir's film or Detas. I'm sorry, my throat is very bad, so I can't speak. I don't want to talk about Fitur just now because they've just started. So when the time is right, I'll tell you.
Are you missing from the promotions?
Of Fitur, because I'm doing a very special part. So I don't think they want to reveal that just now.
Aditi, you look so fair now. We only able to see your lips. Can you just smile louder? Yeah.
I think I'm also looking extra. I think I'm looking pale because I'm not well. Thank you.
Hi. How are you?
Ayushmann, which segment will we see you host this time at
No, I'm not hosting this time. I'm just in the audience, and I'm just crossing fingers for Dum Laga Ke Aisha to win as many awards as possible for music, for everything. Yeah.
Man Marzia is also coming up. Tell us more about your role.
We'll be shooting Feb onwards, and Man Marzia is a beautiful love story, and Bhumi and I are together again in a whole new avatar, especially Bhumi slimming down and me going back to Punjab again.
Filmfare is known for its witty acts. Which superstar are you looking forward to on stage hosting you?
I guess I'm looking forward to seeing Ranveer on stage. I think he's always quirky and full of life. That's it?
We saw your brother also.
Okay. हाँ मतलब हाँ भाई किसने प्रतिभाशाली तो है नहीं आई थिंक ज्ञान दर्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं है वो खुद ही बहुत टैलेंटेड है हाँ दंगल में मेरे भाई दिखाई देंगे नहीं अंदर की बात मुझे बताते नहीं उनको लगता है मैं सब कुछ बोल दूंगा सबके सामने इसलिए अंदर की बात मुझे बताते नहीं नथिंग एट ऑल बस यही है कि हाँ वो हरियाणवी बोल रहे हैं जो बहुत मज़ेदार है That's it. Thank you so much.
First time at Filmfare, how does it feel?
Feels really special. I've grown up watching these awards, and it feels like a dream come true. I'm seeing you again. What is the question now you wanted to ask? Of course. ये तो सपना ही है. I think this is such a dream come true because बचपन से मैं ये awards देख रही हूँ. Red carpet, सब कुछ. So I think it's a very special moment, and I'm really happy and proud to be here. बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. Dreams should be larger than life and should be big. No, not at all. I think I have a long way to go, and Sonam has reached that level because of so much experience, and I don't think I'm anywhere close to her level. I think she's, like everybody says, the style icon of our country. So yeah, that's a long way to go. That's a very high.
Being compared to Sonam, how do you take those compliments?
I think she's beautiful. So
Thank you for coming. Thank you.
हाय हाय
कार्तिक ये पूछना चाहती हूँ।
हाँ जी पूछिए। कितने अवार्ड्स मिल गए और अभी मैं नाम ले सकता हूँ क्या दूसरे अवार्ड्स के? मिल गए अवार्ड्स मिल गए इस साल एंड आई मीन लास्ट ईयर एंड फिल्म फेयर से एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं हर बार और सबसे बड़ा वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अवार्ड शो है फिल्म फेयर एंड मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड शो है सो रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द पार्टी राइट नाउ एंड उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है बट इट्स अ बिग थिंग फिल्म फेयर का पार्ट होना इट्स अ बिग थिंग।
शाहरुख खान होस्ट कर रहे हैं शायद ऐसा सुनने में आया है।
जी बहुत बड़ी बात है शाहरुख सर होस्ट कर रहे हैं एंड बहुत मतलब मेरे आइडल रह चुके मैं रोल मॉडल की तरह उन्हें देखता हूँ उन्होंने अपना निश क्रिएट किया है काफ़ी इंडस्ट्री में एंड तो उनकी होस्टिंग हमेशा से वो बहुत विटी है तो स्टेज पे भी बहुत विटी उनका विट दिखने वाला है एंड रियली लुकिंग कांट वेट फॉर फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड शो। आगे जल्दी अनाउंसमेंट होने वाला है कौन सी फिल्म का एंड आई थिंक एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ या फरवरी तक कुछ अनाउंसमेंट हो जाएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Anyone asking? No? I'm here. कोशिश कर। How you doing? You good? Bye. Can I look at him? Yes. I obviously want a Filmfare Award. I want that Black Beauty, of course, yes. I don't know. I have no idea. Yes. Sorry? Obviously, अगर शाहरुख सर करे तो why not? Yeah, I would love to enjoy the night with the big King Khan on stage. I don't know. We're seeing. I want to perform. I don't know if they'll let me perform.